Hello everyone. Welcome to this new tutorial. Today, we're going to convert Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2024 evaluation to a full version so that it can be activated. Since the evaluation ISO doesn't include the necessary SKUs and activation files to apply a product key, we need to manually add them. First, we'll download the corresponding SKU file, which contains the essential licensing information required for activation. Without this file, the system won't recognize the proper version needed for conversion. Once downloaded, you'll need to navigate to the system directory and paste the SKU file. This step is crucial, as using the wrong file or placing it incorrectly could result in errors later. Make sure to follow the instructions closely and double-check that the file is in the correct location. After that, we'll run a few quick commands in Command Prompt to reset the licensing system. These commands will apply a generic key, allowing the evaluation version to switch over to the full version. However, keep in mind that this is just a version conversion. It does not activate Windows permanently. Once the commands have been executed, restart your PC. When it boots back up, you should notice that the evaluation watermark and expiration notices are no longer displayed. This confirms that the system has successfully transitioned to the full version. At this stage, you're ready for the final step. Enter the product key you purchased from ProSoft Keys. Once entered, your system will be fully activated and ready for use. That's it. If this guide helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Have a good one.